Hey, what's going on, y'all? JT here with a quick RC update. So, Team Corrali has announced this SSX823 on-road roller kit car. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link below in the description so you guys can go over and check it out, because it has a lot of detail, technical specs, adjustments, and all that in here. I believe you can also order it from their site, so I'll leave a link down below to the actual vehicle over at Team Corrali, and then they have a link you can go over there and purchase. I'm pretty sure other manufacturers will get this in really soon. And this is, like I said, a kit, a roller kit, so you will have to add, of course, your electronics to it, tires and wheels, and also the body. But most people that race in this type of environment add their own stuff to it too, but you guys can see a lot of the stuff that's in here. And I believe it was 479 euros, so it's going to be probably over 500 US, but this is available. As I went over to their site, it said it was available now. So you guys put your comments down below, go over to their site and look at it. And when I get some more information and detail on this, of course, I'll let you guys know. So as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.